Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today I have for you a CID Xtreme 42-inch brush cutter for on your mini skid steer loader. This brush cutter here is designed to fit the Bobcat MT50, 52, 55, 463, and S70. On the walk behind units, the factory strongly suggests you do run a ride platform, make it a little more stable on your machine. They're a veritable flow of 6 to 15 gallons a minute. Two-blade head design will cut material up to 3-inch capacity and does run a Parker hydraulic drive motor and an Omni 40 horsepower gearbox. Purpose of the video today is we'll give you the quick little 360-degree view, and we're going to mow with it here for you to show you actually how well these little mowers cut. Starting right here at the quick attach. Again, this is for the MT50, 52, 55, 463, and S70. I also have them available for Toro Dingo style mounting also. We have this on a 55. Skid shoes are made of an A36 grade steel, anti-wear resistant, double brace. Underneath here, there's a strip of A36 grade steel. Down the inside's plated to keep from any wear on the inside of the deck. Your blades here are sharpened on one side. This is a one rotation or one direction cutter. These are an AR 400 tool steel, and the blade holder is designed for that to be a swinging blade. You have a protection here at your castellated nut. You have a wire ring protector here to keep the wire from getting back into the gearbox shaft seal. Open front design, so you take your heavier material and work it to the corners. On this side here, you'll have your Parker drive motor, Omni gearbox, shear pin system in here for protection, and also a 3,000 psi pressure relief valve. But these really do work well for these mini skid loaders. It's amazing. A guy can go out and get $85 or $95 an hour, if not more, for one of these little machines and be very efficient and make some money with them. Again, 3-inch cutting capacity. So we're going to go ahead and fire this unit up, and we're going to go ahead and mow with it here for you so you can see what it'll do. see there from the video, this is a really smooth running mower. It's actually a lot of fun to run. In just a few minutes time, you see I went the whole way along there and cut stuff off. We'll take you down there so you can see. Amazing what it'll take and shred that stuff into. Like I said, it is a 3-inch cutting capacity. Look at the clump of stuff we cut off here. Unbelievable what that little thing will cut. If you take your time and back up, once you cut it, it'll remulch it. Amazing, I think, the money that could be made with one of these little machines. If you're a landscape guy, small contractor, and you have a mini skid steer and you need a brush cutter for it, look at the money you could make doing little mowing jobs. Around the farm, around the residential, everybody has a little mowing application. If you have any questions on this CID brush cutter for the MT52, 55, 50, 463, and S70, please let us know. We keep them here in stock. We can ship very easily. Just let us know. We'll get you a price quote. Thank you very much for checking out our video today. And any questions on any of the CID product line, please give us a call at 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply 88. And as always, happy buying.